Alright folks, this is Mark at Copters and Crawlers RC Pacific Northwest. Just picked up this little guy. This is a 1/43 scale, 4-wheel drive, short course truck. Ready to run. Complete with controller, 2 NiCad batteries, 2 USB chargers, even batteries for the remote. And here comes the remote on the camera right now. Alright. Pretty cool little remote. Yeah, let's take this thing for a little spin here. Proportional throttle, non-proportional steering. Now this is made by Blomiky, which is the parent company for WL Toys and some other brands. This was $25 on Amazon. They say it goes 9 miles an hour. It's advertised as going 9 miles an hour. So we're going to do a high-speed run away and back again. Here we go. Ready? There you go. Ready, get set, go. Full throttle. Uh-oh, we lost it. Here we go. Oh, we spun out. Yeah, this thing is pretty fast. It's actually pretty fast. This will go 9 miles an hour, and it's pretty fast. Let me trim my steering. It's pretty good. All right, let's do another full speed run here. Let's see if I can control it. Oh, this is really hilarious. Okay, ready? Here we go. Here we go, high speed. Pretty cool, man. I keep forgetting it's non-proportional steering. I gotta remember that. And I gotta hold my radio up, otherwise you lose the signal. That's pretty cool, folks. I'm going to have to hold on to the camera and run it around a little bit and steer it with my chin because it looks pretty damn cool ripping around. You ready? All right, here we go. Ground. Pretty fun actually. Haha.